Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you today how to make tea. Let's do this. This is sugar, 3.5 spoons, tea powder, and 2 spoons. Let's start pouring the water, 1/2 cup. For size, let's keep that away. 1 cup, mostly precise. And now, let's keep it on gas in 3, 2, 1. Alright everyone, it's on gas. I'll let the water boil for a minute, but we are not lighting. So we're gonna put this amazing sugar in it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the sugar's in it perfectly. Now, there's a choice. You can put lemongrass or you can put some ginger. But I'm not going to put anything. Now, we're gonna wait until the sugar melts. See guys, it's melting. Our wait's gonna be over soon. Right. The sugar has been melted. Now let's put this tea powder in it, like so. See, every bit is out. Now we have to be clean with our work. We're done using this, so let's clean it. Oh, look at the tea. So the times we're cleaning our mess a little bit up. It's already done. Now we'll turn the gas on so it boils. Let's wait until it's boiling. And the most important thing about tea is you need to let it boil. Okay? Otherwise it will not taste so good. Will it now? Now on my table, I'm only keeping the essentials, which are 2 cups, which I'm gonna need. Alright, the tea is boiled. Now there's another thing about tea which I need to tell you about. So after I switch on the gas, off the gas, and off. Now the important thing is if you let it boil too much, it also doesn't taste so good. Now let's put it in this. Alright, well, we should not only clean up our messes, but we should also wash up our messes. So I'm done with the tea, but only one thing's missing, which is milk. So I'm gonna put it right over here and see, extra tea. It's too much. If you have extra tea, don't keep it like that. Otherwise, it's all better. Alright, my fridge is a mess, isn't it? Well, let's go away from the fridge. Look at the tea well. I take out some milk. Alright, the tea looks good with milk, doesn't it? Now, my parents like very hot tea, so I'm going to put that back in the oven. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. The tea is in the oven now. Say bye-bye. Alright, we don't want it too hot, do we? So we set the timer off 10 seconds. Start. It's spinning, everyone. Now from the oven, it's in my plate, and now it's ready to serve. Alright, let's go. Well guys, before I go, I hope you like watching this video. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more good videos like this, please comment down this video. What next video would you like to see? I'll be waiting for your comments. Bye-bye.